go, YouTube.
Guys, what's going on? We got another video for you today. Today we're going to the local racetrack, the 8th Mile track, favorite track here, and we're going to be making some hits. They got a little shenanigans shootout put on by Backyard Shenanigans. Check him out. Cool guy. His name's Mike. We're going to be trying to race that, and then we've also been trying to get a grudge race all week. I haven't got one. Nobody wants to race. We thought we had some guys with another truck, and they basically said that I was too slow for them, wasn't worth the time. So I told them if I was so slow, come take the money. They're not taking the bait, so it is what it is. But it's currently like 1, maybe 2, I think. So I'm just starting the video up. Gonna show you guys a little bit of prep before loading it up, and then obviously racing there. So hopefully we got a bunch of action for you tonight. We're going with Scott. I think a bunch of the guys from the card chats are coming too. I got the 360 cam and the laptop charger, necessities, 100% the laptop charger. Need to get Adam on the tune. He adjusts on the fly. Like I said, if you guys need any tuning, any type of ECU, any motor, hit up Midnight Fabrication on Instagram, and we'll get you right. All right, so just to start off, what I normally bring in the back of the truck is the race jacket. We have a couple tools, transmission fluid, oil if need be. Just something that we can make a small change. You know, anything catastrophic goes down, we're pretty much just going home. The laptop, I am plugging it in because luckily the Platy has the port for that, so it's good to, you know, charge it. And when Dad and Mom are up front, I can sit back here and edit videos or watch YouTube, whatever. We got the race pants, the helmet, obviously, and the chalk. We bring the chalk in case you guys want to write on the hood. Feel free to, if you ever see me out in public, to come right up on the hood. I always keep the chalk on me. Quick checklist: we got 2 cans of E85, there's 10 gallons in the fuel cell, a little more oil. This is the chest for the ice, Dad's scooter, chairs, tent when it's hot in the daytime. So that's pretty much all we bring in the truck. And then obviously when we get to Scott's, there's a lot more that he brings. He pretty much keeps it stacked up, and then we load the trucks up as well. So typically every race day kind of looks the same, I would say. When we go to Bradenton, it's a little more prep because we're going a little bit farther away. A lot more checking the weather here in Florida, especially this time of the year. It rains a lot, so you never know what the weather's gonna do. It might torrential downpour in my house, and 30 minutes up the road where the track is, it might not even rain a drop. So right now I'm going to Subway, gonna get some food. I'm gonna head out to Scott's, and I think I'm going to either possibly wash the truck or I don't know, we'll see. We're definitely gonna load it up though. We're gonna help Scott load up the trucks and everything, grab everything that we need, the toolbox, his tents, his scooters, putting 2 trucks on the one trailer, the big long trailer. So all right, so I just got the Subway. Now we head to the shop, eat up, load up, and get to the track, baby. All right, guys, so we got the trucks all loaded up. So we're gonna head to the track now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Unfortunately, it did just like sprinkle a little bit, so I just got worried that they're drying the track. Track might not be the best as I was hoping it was gonna be, but I'm pretty confident we can get down on anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys there, and let's hope to have a good one.
not good.